89.9.
By the way, the outfit of Tina right now is the the starter kit for when
Starter kit.
for the
Why is there a starter kit?
for the Pegasus ladies. When it's the start of the shift is 8 p.m. and the attire of Tina is getting ready later after a bath, fresh.
Oh my gosh.
And
Okay. my
Tina has an
gosh.
announcement. We're
yeah.
supposed to be guesting True Fate.
I was so
now
no,
it's
no,
True
first-
Fate.
Okay, I got too excited, you guys. I got, yeah. I mean, I really wanted to surprise Alex and Israel because
Yes.
they love the band. And for the life of me, it's not till next week. And now I'm surprised because they won't be here. I just did their commercial. I mean, their plug for
Yeah.
their Baguio show. So I'll be alone next week with True Fate.
Yes.
So there's going to be a little peace and quiet because Alex is gone next
Ay,
week.
ano ba yan? Ang ganda pa naman sana ng timing. Perfect.
Perfect.
You are perfect. Yung naka-perfect shorts ka.
Oh my gosh, perfect shorts it is.
You
Hoy!
are...
My gosh, my
Ano?
God. Hoy daw, sabi ni Kim.
Why?
Welcome to the show,
I
you
have a
guys.
problem with pronouncing letter R.
Yeah, he can't roll his R's properly. Hi to a good friend
Oh,
of the
is that Israel
Sarge.
Binobra?
Wait,
Yes.
Anton Nish is tuned in from
We
the
don't
Sarge.
care.
Hi.
We don't care anymore. You're tuned in, you're not tuned in, we don't care.
Hi, Israel.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I made a boo-boo. Major boo-boo.
Next week pa pala pa rin True Fate.
I know kaya kayo pumunta para sa True Fate.
Hindi.
So ako na lang.
Pumunta kami para sa mga listeners na nandyan sa...
Ay, hindi pa para sa
Kaya pala sa...
Una-una yun, lahat tayo para sa kanila, Tina.
Oh.
At bakit ka nakapang summer outfit?
Hindi nga, ito yung mga maniwala ka, yan ang mga pormahan.
Sorry, isn't it summer?
No, ayan ang mga pormahan nga sinasabi ko ng mga Pegasus girls waiting for the 8 p.m. Di ba?
Bago pumasok.
Yes!
Oh,
yan
at
ang mga
yan din-
pormahan, sinasabi ko sa'yo, Tina.
Yan din itsura nila pag nakaangkas na sila pa uwi.
Yes! Tina, sinasabi ko sa'yo, yung kulay mo ngayon, Tina, ang benta niya sa mga pump, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Yan ang mga pormahan na bibenta tayo dyan, girl. Huwag ka na magtsaga sa radio station na to. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Hi, you guys. It's 3:18. Welcome to
Yes.
Friday Madness. Well, with the comedy crew, of course.
Yes.
And you're looking good.
I know.
Is that salmon? Is that nude?
No,
I like
this
that.
is salmon, this is
Salmon.
Rolex, this is, oh my God, this is the outfit of the DOM, which is coincidentally bagay sa'yo. Tapos si Israel, siya yung pimp. Huwag kang tumuwad! Tina, malinsangan! Sumisingaw yung malimuum! Alam niyo ba yung pag summer to sumulan? Yung unang singaw na
Well, I think it's about to happen. Umulan na.
Hindi pa, si Tina lumabas. Pakita mo yung ang ganda ng legs ni Tina, sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Ay, grabe
Guys!
ha.
Si Tina talaga ay isang living legend. Buhay na alamat. Buhay pa, alamat na.
Let's get back
Huwag
to
mo tayo
our
tumugtog!
Scarlet and Black.
God, favorite ko yan. You don't know. Ang ganda ng meaning niyan, promise. Ang
Promise?
baduy ko mag-opening.
Tell me the meaning off
Man,
air.
oh.
This is Friday Madness. The real madness begins now here on The Magic.
Magic 89.9.
On Friday Madness, as requested by my bosses, station guy and the Sarge. Everybody wants to rule the world. Did you know the original title of the song wasn't this?
What the original?
It was supposed to be Everybody Wants to Go to War.
Ay, no, grabe naman yung version.
But it was
Ba't
part
kumain?
of the original lyrics. And then, I said this a few months ago, but they had a hard time connecting with the song, so they changed
Driving
it.
song ko yan.
No, 80s yan, di ba?
80s yan,
Malamang
pare.
height ng
This
Cold
is
War yan, kaya
wait,
gano'n.
84, so the song's
Hindi,
40
ano
years
yan,
old.
driving song ko yan. Ang
Really?
video na nagda-drive silang kotse.
I'm sorry?
Naka-top down yung kotse ng MTV niya.
Yeah. So for
Everybody
the...
say that you never. Ayun ang pinakagusto. Ayun ang pinakagusto ko doon.
Yung part na yun no?
Oo.
Oh my gosh, but have you seen them in concert? Like live?
Hindi ko sinapanood ng live eh. Pero
Oh my
nakabalita ko yung
gosh.
chismis may topak sila. Alam mo yun?
Paano topak? Anong
Ang title
chismis
ng
yan?
album nila, di ba? Song from the Big Chair.
Yes.
May
That,
isa raw dyan, ayun ata yung hindi pa sikat yung clinical depression. Yun yung niyan, may isang Hindi ko alam kung si Roland o si Kurt.
The other one. Oh.
Parang si Roland or si Kurt? Si Kurt?
Di ko sure eh.
Parang si Roland eh.
Tapos ano yung picture na
Should we Google?
symbolism na yun?
Parang symbolism na
Who's
parang...
depressed?
Hindi, huwag tayo mag-google. Yun ang dapat ang meron ng
Hindi,
Friday
seryoso,
Madness.
may isa dyan. May isa dyan.
Sa kwentuhan natin, walang ginugoogle dapat. Kasi ganito yung kwentuhan ng 90s at
That's
80s.
right. I
Hindi
miss
ba?
those
Sayang sa bahay.
days.
Ano, yung parang may mali ka. Di sorry.
Oo,
Tapos,
ganun
mga
yun.
2 weeks mo na bago. Oy, gago, mali yung ano mo. Sinabi sa'yo parang gano'n.
Gusto ko yung magandang kwentuhan yung, sino na yung artista sa... Ay, nako. Ang
Tapos
saya
ano
nun.
pa,
I saw
pagbalik.
that bit of yours.
Ang problema, pinagkalat mo na. Tapos unti-unti mo na ngayon, hinahanap yung mga sinabi mo, uy, by the way, mali pala ako.
Mali pala ako. Hindi pala si Kurt yun, si ano.
Yung isa naman, yung Scarlet, Scarlet and Black.
Scarlet and Black, you don't know me.
You don't know lang.
You don't know.
Ang ganda ng lyrics niyan, parang, you don't know the way I feel inside.
Wow.
You don't know how much I sacrifice my pride crying out to you.
You are a big 80s fan, Al.
I know! Ang ganda ng
Ang
mga
gaganda na ng mga lyrics.
Ang ganda ng mga lyrics
Oo,
nan.
noon.
Oo.
Grabe.
Oo. Nowadays, just,
Iba na.
yeah. You
Iba na
notice the
talaga.
songs
Alam mo ba
are
yung
2 minutes
Mike and the
long.
Mechanics?
Oh my gosh,
Ayun
In the
ang-
Living Years?
Hindi yun,
Which
wala akong
one?
pakialam doon. ang ano ko, pinupunta ko, yung pinang-iiyak ko doon, yung Taken In.
Oh my gosh, taken it.
Di ba? There's
Wait.
one born every minute and
Wait,
you're looking at him. No pride, taken for a ride. You said I'd be only one, but I look in your eyes. I tried to believe you.
Can I play it or do you want to sing
hindi,
it?
go. Paano na natin gusto mapanood doon? Tatapusin natin?
Yeah. What?
Music na naman?
No.
Nag-time check na ba tayo ng Rexona?
Not yet.
Oo na. Ano 3:33, may puto ka? Rexona.
Actually, Sarge likes that. Very straight on.
O, tamo na. Sabi ko
Yeah.
sa'yo eh. Minsan
Oo.
baguhin natin yan. Oo.
Actually,
No
gusto
time
nilang-
check.
Gusto
No
ng
time check.
Rexona
Oo.
yun.
Oo. Ano?
3:33.
Ayun, 3:40.
Anong
Time check brought to you by
Anong protection
Rexona.
sa perspiration and odor? May puto ka. Huwag kang mo kong loko-lokohin. May puto ka. Binabayabas ka. Ang yun ang pinakamatinding putok yun. Binabayabas ka. Amoy ng sinigang na bayabas.
That's why I don't
Oo.
eat sinigang sa bayaba.
Oo, pinuputokan ka.
Putok.
I know my mom loves
Amoy
it.
sibuyas
I
pero walang
can't.
sibuyas sa paligid. Putok mo yon, girl. Oh, yun
Rexona
dapat.
na.
Rexona mo na. Habang hindi pa kumakalat. Oo. Dumating ka, amoy shawarma pero hindi ka nag-shawarma. Rexona
Rexona.
na. Parang ganun yan.
Hello to all the lawyers attending the MCLE. Hindi na daw siya a-attend. Makikinig na lang sa atin sa Attorney Aaron.
Kunin nyo ako
What is
Rexona.
MCLE?
Ano?
MCLE. Tito Aaron, what is that?
MCLE is...
MCLE.
um,
Yes. Okay, what's the name of your kuya? Hi, Purple and Baby Bear. Good morning from the UK. Hi, Dawn and Miss Jayan and EJ and Mr. Ahente from Bahrain.
mandatory continuing legal education.
Whoa. Kuya Neil, happy birthday to you. Who's, I
Yan.
guess Kuya Neil's been a long time listener of mine and the
Happy
magic.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya
Nagsimula yun ng
Neil.
Neil. Sa tagal, Kuya Neil na.
Nag-birthday pa.
Di ba? Si
Mas
Tina.
Kuya Neil na.
Di ba? Si Tina. Nagsimula yan, Tina lang. Ngayon, ang sarap ni Tina ngayon.
Sabi ni The Sarge, mentally disturbed ang term before.
Oo, tamo.
Oh.
Sino ba Sarge? Sino Sarge ang ano? Sarge? Sino ang isa doon? Di ba di naman...
Sino ang mentally
Parang
disturbed
si
sa kanila?
Roland eh. Si Roland or sa bar, Sarge?
Can somebody help us confirm?
Hindi, sasagutin ni Sarge yan. May walking encyclopedia. Pag matalino ka dati, hindi ka Google.
Oh, nga
Walking
eh.
encyclopedia.
That's the
Dati.
Sarge.
Si Sarge yun.
Kung naalala nyo kung ano
Si Sarge yung
encyclopedia.
classmate mo na ang daming alam.
Kung naalala nyo kung ano encyclopedia.
Na kinokopya mo sa exam. Tapos siya rin yung classmate mo na pauwi na kayo, paparemind sa teacher na, Ma'am, may assignment po tayo, hindi po napasa. Si Sarge yun eh.
Di naman.
Oo, si
Di
Sarge
naman
yun.
siguro ganon.
Nagpapakopya kaya si Sarge yung araw?
Hindi, ano to, honor student yan.
Hindi, pero tingin ko magpapakopya siya.
Oo.
Tapos
Oy.
ida-guide ka niya.
nga.
Oo, sabi ko sa si Roland, mukhang may topak yun eh.
Hindi nga topak yung
Kasi
term.
gwapo si Kurt.
Mentally
Mentally
disturbed.
disturbed.
Oo, kaya nga, topak ang tawag nun. Oo.
Sinto-sinto.
Hindi nga, may
Sapak.
nakakopya
May
man.
sapak.
Conduct awardee daw si Sarge.
Ay, sorry. Tamo? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Yan ang
Hindi.
naglilista ng maingay.
Mabait yan. Tingin ko mabait si Sarge. Siya yung nagpapakopy ng assignment. Sabay,
Si
binabantayan niya na baguhin mo
Oh my
konti.
gosh.
Baguhin mo
Ano?
konti.
I'm so deads right now, you guys.
Ano?
Because I invited my org mates from Heavenly Culture World Peace.
Dahil
Restoration of
pinagyabang
Light.
mo na nandito ang trophy.
Oo.
Ako, Diyos ko, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, Tine.
Chai.
Awa yan. Murahan kayo.
Ayan
Murahan.
na.
Chai, bati na tayo next week.
Si True Fake. Si True Fake na True Fake kayo.
Na true fake to. I'm so sorry.
Dapat yung pagdating niya, wag mo nang itanong sa... saan ba yun? Eraser ba yun?
E-heads.
Ay, sorry. Buti na pala.
Ay, palabas ang ano ha? Palabas yung pelikula ng E-Heads
Ano
ha?
ba yung ano ba yung ganun
Teka
kanta nila? Wag, ano?
Wag mo na itanong sa akin yan.
Hindi, may isa... Hindi, i-heads yun. Yung isa parang ganun ng ano, ng True Fake. Meron sila.
Wait,
Ano, ambon?
gosh, ang
Ambon?
hirap
Ano ba yun? Ano?
naman.
Hindi.
Ang hirap naman.
Wag na lang.
Kaya,
At least ako kay wag.
Oo.
Baka naman ganun nangyari na True Fate. Aalis na sana sila pero sabi ng True Fate, wag na lang.
I'm so sorry.
Kaya-
I so apologize. You know what?
Teka lang, sisingit ko lang, Eraserheads. Meron silang palabas
Yeah,
na yung
the
movie
movie.
nila.
What's the
Oo,
name?
Combo on the Run.
Yeah, I heard
March
so
21
many
to
good
23
things
lang.
about it.
Naku, na-trigger ako ng combo on the run. Naalala ko yung ano, yung hotdog na ano, yung...
Oh, yeah!
Combo?
Wait,
Yung ano?
I know what he's talking about.
Oh, yung ano to, yung hotdog to na may ano, di ba may...
Sarge!
Ano, may di ba may hotdog na may bacon na nakarap? Bacon wrap, di ba? Ano yan? Wrap
Somebody
around.
tell us what it is.
Please,
Come on.
Masasin yan, sinasama natin yan. Tapos, nakakadiri yan sa pag may date ka. Ayan, ano yan? Ano
Wait,
yan?
guys, ano
Smokies!
yun?
Smokies! Smokies!
Silicon
oh.
karne!
Smokies
Wala na.
Wala na ba?
Wala na Smokies.
Man!
Oo, nakakakami sa Smokies.
Ganyan,
Mr.
ganyan,
Ahente Dauza pala. Thank you guys. Smokies, Brian
Ganyan yung nangyari
Patawe.
sa akin. Sabi ko, wala natang Cindy's. Pinadala ko ng Cindy's
Oo.
Bake Shop.
So meron na. Ay,
Meron. Gawin na,
pa rin.
i-trigger natin. Wala nang Smokies. Wala nang Smokies.
no, I think I have a feeling meron.
O di, magpatunay sila. Magpadala sila sa atin.
Oo.
Si Tito Ero
Smokies.
napamura.
Sabi ko, wala nang Cindy's. Pinadala ng...
See, there's still Smokies.
Saan?
Oh, makarinig sa atin Smokies. Ang sarap ng ano, di ba ano?
Wrap around dog.
Wrap
ang
around
tawag. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay, you know what? Why don't we click on that?
Paano tayo napunta sa wrap around dog sa Combo on the Run?
Meron
Sabi-
silang combo.
yung combo.
For
meron
some
sila.
reason, I thought of the
Hot dog.
yeah hot dog too. I don't know why.
Hindi, alam ko yung ano, yung combo kasi pag pwede ka mag-combine, lahat tayo lagay mo, yung patulad mo, masiba ka.
Tanong pa ako
Hindi ka
eh.
maapi.
Tanong pa ako.
Hindi ka,
Oo, all the sides. Ganun ako, all the sides. Nasabi ko na nga po eh. Nagmamagandang loob ako eh.
oh, may nagtatanong.
Nag-promote- oh.
May good news tayo. Masingit ko lang ha. Ang Netflix ko pong tamang
Ay,
panahon
oo.
ay available na worldwide sa April 1.
April 1.
Gosh! Oh my gosh!
In markets ng America,
Smokies.
North and South America,
Oo.
available na siya.
Canada.
Europe.
Yan.
So starting
Middle East.
April 1st?
yes, hindi
Yes.
siya April Fool's Day. No.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Yeah.
I think we
Global na siya.
group hug.
Ano kasi sabi ko, Tina,
Global.
ang sarap mo ano ngayon. Ganito.
Ayun na, bahala dyan. Ayoko na.
Di ba? Pinaramdam ko sa iyo yung Dakota.
May kasamang-
Dakota.
May kasama
Harrison,
pag
no?
nanasa.
Yung Dakota, yun yung isa, dalawa, tatlo, may sasampalin ka pa sa dulo.
Have you
Dako.
guys
Dakota Fanning.
Duty free, yung jutay. Maliit ang ano nun. Yung parang kuntil. Yung hahawin mo muna yung mga dako bago mo siya makita.
Kuntil.
Ganun natin description. Pwede ba? Umayos naman tayo ng mga ano.
Yan, ito.
Yan, wag na lang kaya.
Yan, since we were on topic of true faith, medyo kinabahan ako dun eh.
Saan?
Saan?
Saan? Sa kuntil?
Wala akong sinasabi. Ako sa akin ka ba kinabahan?
True faith on
Ako ba
Friday,
yung yumakap?
Magic 89.9.
On Friday Madness, the Eraserheads with Wag Mo Nang Itanong. And oh my gosh, I can't contain my excitement, my happiness. I'm in a roller coaster of emotions.
Dahil nag-roller coaster ka sa With a Smile.
Rollerblades, rollerblades.
Dahil sinunod ka sa puwet.
Hindi ko alam na trivia pala yun ha. Nakasama ka pala.
Sa With a Smile. Sa MTV pala na With a
MTV
Smile.
With a Smile.
My gosh, not
Rollerblades.
about me. Okay, so
Rollerblades ka.
come
Okay.
April 1st, tamang panahon will be available
Worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yes.
Holy crap. Wow.
Oh,
Yes.
worldwide yan.
Oh my gosh.
The whole of Americas. Di ba? North,
North,
Central, and then
Yes.
South, and then lahat ng Europe.
Venus,
lahat ng
Mars, Pluto.
Africa, and
Oh,
Middle East. Yan.
so but
Yung
you
other
haven't
half
done a
lang
show.
kasi na-release nung nakaraan. Other
Yo,
half lang.
What a coincidence. May US show ako April 4 to 16. Pagkatapos noon may May 23 to June 8 akong Canada. And wait, June 14 to
There's
21 Europe.
Oo.
June 29 Dubai.
Dubai.
Gosh.
Tapos
Covered niya.
July 25
Who's going from the comedy crew?
may iba kung sino yung nag-alay ng katawan sa akin. Yun ang sinama ko. Si Estrella pinakalagi ko kasama. Ang galing nito.
Sundot puwet.
How about London? Are you going to London?
Produce mo. Joke. Meron kami siniluto sa UK. New Zealand. October 15 to 20 will be in New
Yes.
Oh
Zealand.
my
Zealand.
gosh, I'm dreaming of going to New Zealand.
Singapore, September 27, we'll be back again.
What about Bahrain? Ano na nangyari sa Bahrain?
Okay naman sila.
natin.
Maayos naman yung bansa na yun.
Kahit paano. May oil pa rin sila.
Akala ko naman.
May oil pa rin sila.
Akala mo ko bigla ka naging concerned sa Bahrain.
Happened to Bahrain? How about Qatar? You want to talk
Bahrain?
about Qatar?
No, which one, diba? You had a show that
I
was...
did before. Oman. Tapos Bahrain.
Oman.
Tapos Dubai.
In the works yun. Tingnan natin kung paano.
We also want to welcome our very own Mig Santillan. He
Yes,
is here visiting.
si Mig Santillan.
Where is he?
Outside, talking to the people out there.
Okay. Migs! Come say hi, Migs.
Yes. Ayun ang mga
Hi,
social.
hi.
Ayun si Mix ang social talaga, no?
You know whose mom is?
Sino?
Do you remember Kathy Santillan from The Reporter?
Yung reporter.
That's the mom. Hi, Tita Kathy.
Tita Kati. Yeah, ayun ang pan-DJ na salita. Ayun ang magpapataas ng antas ng kwalidad dito sa pagsalitain mo para babalikan yung mga
My
mayayaman.
newly engaged friend.
Pagsalitain mo para akala
Best
nila,
wishes.
ayan, para akala nila bombo radyo tayo.
Bombo radio.
Anong bomboracho?
Grabe naman. Like every so often I do come back and just say, hi chat.
Oh, man.
I do miss my Friday Madness slot though.
See?
You know you're more than welcome anytime. Just
Hindi modulated yung boses na yun.
Say hi to
Totoo yun, ano?
Not yet.
Okay,
No.
he is. He's there. Say
wow.
hi. Say hi.
Hi Sarge.
Gwapo nito ni...
Oh, see, we miss you, Migs.
See?
Aw, I missed you guys. I see Ace Carl, Kieran's still here. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I can't-
that's yun pala yun, Kieran.
Kieran,
We've always wondered how to can I make Kieran.
Maraming salamat, Mix, sa pagbisita sa ating studio.
Maraming salamat,
Always have to
Mix.
drop by and always have
Bombo Mix.
Kumustahin na po naman natin ang mga katambayan natin sa San Andres ngayon na kasalukuyan ngayong may sinasaksak.
Wow.
See, wala ko laban. Wala talaga.
Congrats sa engagement, paring Mix.
you.
Congrats sa engagement.
So
Yes.
congrats on your
Puta rin,
engagement. Congrats on the worldwide showing of Tamang Panahon. April 1st, worldwide. Wow.
Plus yung tour, tamang panahon tour.
Smoky is
Si
so-
Israel nag-lose ng weight.
Oo.
Wow.
Nagpagupit ako konti. Kaya okay na yun. Okay na.
Nag-lose siya ngayon ng 2 pounds.
Si Mix pala yung, ganyan pala yung itsura ng pag may beard, full beard ka, sa may malinis ka. Ganyan
Oo.
pala yung itsura.
No, you just need to trim yours once in a while.
Don't.
Ito yung pag may
I
nangyari
gave up on
krimen.
life.
Nakita silang dalawa, sasabi ni, excuse me lang, huliin lang namin yung krimen.
Ako yung tuturo.
Ang sarap niya uminom, ang sarap mo uminom ng
Alam mo ang tawag sa ganyang itsura pag si Migs? Lumberjack. Alam mo tawag sa akin?
Ano?
Illegal lag.
Sa ay pag-inom ni Migs, no? Pagka si Migs uminom, di ba? Ano, pag si Migs uminom ng, ng juice, he's really thirsty. Pagka si ang takaw mo, patay gutom.
Meron talagang contrast dito. Hindi ko kayang mag-nose ring na ginagawa ni Migs. Hindi, kasi lalagyan nila ng tali. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede ako mag-nose ring na parang kay Migs. Promise. I cannot pull that off. You cannot pull that off also. Masakit yan pag pinulong.
When my mom first saw me with a nose ring, she's like, "What's that? What is that?" She wanted to put a rope on it and put me a cowl. Like, no.
Ganun mapagalitan ng mga mayayaman, guys.
What's that?
What's that?
Pag tayo
Leche ka.
Mumurahin ka lang ng nanay mo. Mumurahin ka lang.
Oh my God, you should hear my mom's mouth.
Anong nilagay mo sa ilong mo? Hindi ka nga nagtatanggal ng kulangot. Naglagay ka pa.
Ay, yun lang yun.
Hi to Direk.
Alvin,
Direk
di ba?
Alvin's watching.
Wala bang buhay yan si Alvin? Lagi nakalagay dyan.
Day off nga. He's
Ah,
not
day
here.
off.
Yeah, he's resting. But hey, if you have any songs you want to hear, 80s, 90s, let us know.
Yeah.
Playback.tv/magic899. Thank you to all the 156 people watching us.
Uy,
Oy, record.
So record na ba yung 156
Yeah, we have a record high.
Targetin natin yung
156.
GTWM,
200.
yung good times, ano.
Okay, wait. So let me in.
Kulang na lang tayo ng 1,000.
Ganun karami yung nasa playback niyo.
1,158.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, careful ako doon sa pagsasalita.
Yung sa playback niyo every morning?
Oo, madaling umaga yun ha, 1158.
Wow.
Oh.
Ayan na.
400
record
trolls.
high, 159 na.
159 na. Kaya ba natin umabot
natin
man lang ng
yan.
200,
Kaya
guys?
natin yan.
200. Nag-shorts na si Tina para sa atin. Nag-shorts na si Tina para sa
Oo,
atin.
nag-short na. Mapapakita ko ng
Oo.
edits. Pero magto 200 tayo.
Gosh!
We
Okay.
have to
Baba
sacrifice.
ng presyo ng edits na 200 lang.
Pero ulo-ulo lang.
Okay, here.
Ano, Tina?
Ano?
Here we go.
Time check tayo?
No, because somebody asked for this one. Baka ano naman pakita mo eh. Ano muna
ask
tayo?
for it.
Mag-Mike Francis muna tayo. Let me in.
Francis yan.
What are you gonna say?
Respeto. Respeto.
Magic 89.9.
Angelina, 412 on Friday Madness. Only on Magic 89.9.
Bao.
Hi to Joshua and his daughter Isabel Alessa. She's a little baby girl. Isabella Alessa. Hi. They're stuck in traffic. Oh, they're going to San Jose, Batangas.
Traffic is really bad everywhere
Also
today.
stuck in traffic is Juancho and his friends in the car, Charles Verbo and Carla Juan. Hi from Direct Jeric. Okay.
Hello.
So, hi Medwin. I messaged Medwin too and said that I got too excited.
Bao!
Medwin from
Medwin ng True Faith?
Moy
Nakikinig pa si Medwin
Yeah.
ngayon? Sayang talaga.
sinasabon.
Dapat talaga nandito sila eh.
Tina.
Napapasin niyo ba nilalayo ko na dun sa...
Oh, nga.
Right? I know. Santi.
Nakita ko Angelina.
Dapat sana nandito sila. Alam mo bakit nandito dapat ang True Faith? Yung kanta nilang Perfect.
Yes.
Kasi naka-perfect shorts ka eh.
Yes, thank
Perfect
you.
Sabi
shorts.
na namin ng Teresa.
Ay, shucks. Sayang,
Ay,
late ako.
sayang na late.
Sorry. O, di buuin na natin yung kanta.
Angelina.
Okay, sige.
Sorry.
No, but Santi, thank you so much for stopping by.
Of course, I was in the area.
Such a surprise, babe.
I like surprising people about this because I never, like, even when I left, I didn't tell anyone I was leaving. I was just like, oh, bye, this is my last show.
Which he actually did.
Yeah, I did.
Hindi,
Hindi ko sinabi.
Hindi rin bala ko sana
Duncan.
sa relationship.
Wow.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, wife. This is my last shift day.
Last.
Wow.
I'm going with Tina.
Oh my
Pag
gosh.
Hindi na pwede yun
pag
ngayon.
nabulol ka pa rin sa word, sa pangalan mo, ang pangit din, no?
What?
Si Tina. I'm going with Tina.
Tina yung sinabi.
Oh my
Tina.
gosh. Okay. Hi,
Congratulations,
Uy, paano
Peter.
may combine? Santina.
That's not a great show
Santina.
name.
Santina.
Ang slow mo doon, Santina.
Oh. Hey, that would have been a great show name, by the way.
Right.
Nakita ko Santina.
Where are you guys performing tonight, by the way?
Here.
We have a
Club.
corporate show.
Finn and Claw.
And then Finn and Claw.
Wait, is Finn and Claw?
Timog.
Morato.
Morato.
Yeah. Is it like a restaurant? Like
Yes.
I know it's Timog. Timog pala, Timog.
Anong food doon?
Ah,
Like seafood, ganun?
Seafood.
Siyempre, na may Finn and Claw. Ano yun?
So like parang seafood boil?
Hindi, puro gulay
Hindi,
lang.
bake shop yun,
Puro
bake
gulay
shop.
lang.
Seafood boil, ganun?
Hindi ko alam.
The dinosaur.
Actually, yes.
Hindi yata.
Nagsishow doon, di alam.
Hindi.
Dinosaur ang mga
Pupunta kami doon para sa show, hindi para sa pagkain.
Mga isda.
Ganun yung
isda.
intention namin.
Okay. I just want to know if there's seafood boil because
I
I've
think
been
so.
seeing a lot of like seafood boil
Pero hindi yung ganung
recipes.
klaseng restaurant
Hindi
na
ganon.
magbabagsak sila ng seafood
Tapos
boil
ano,
sa...
oo.
Hindi
Ang
ganon.
hirap tumawa ng mga tumataas
Oo,
ng
no?
mga seafood.
May nagbabasag ng claw ng
Oo,
ano,
mga
di ba?
ganon, hindi ganon.
Mapagpag.
Meron din siya mga, hindi nila napanindigan. May pork din.
So, ganun, does that give you the ick? Like yung kunyari maingay.
Oo naman.
I mean, no, I mean, so
Oo.
what?
Kahit kami natutulala kami pag may dumadaang umusok na sisig eh. natitigil din yung punchline namin eh.
Oo.
Okay, so ideally, the setting would be
Nakaupo sila,
Dapat,
nakaupo,
inuman
full
lang.
attention
Alam
sa
mo ba,
amin.
sa Mothership, sa Comedy Mothership ni Joe Rogan sa Austin, nanood ako, yung phone mo nakalagay sa loob ng pouch. Sealed. Para ka talaga na-rehab kasi ando doon yung phone. Tapos, bilog-bilog lang, magkakatabi kayo para hindi kayo magkakilala. Tapos, pack talaga yung ano, as in, pack na
Enough
pack.
yung
Tapos,
table para sa cocktail drinks, diba? Sa mga ano.
Babayad ka na, ang entrance will have 2 drinks, tapos mag-order ka lang pagka naubos mo yung drinks na yun. Pero,
so no food.
walang food. Kasi sa Pilipinas kasi, kailangan nila makabawi sa business.
Yeah.
Kaya they have to serve food para makabawi yung business side. Pero ideally, dapat drinks ka lang dahil ang hirap tumawa na kumakain. Tayo nga lang mga Pinoy nakakatawa.
masasamid.
Tayo nga lang tumatawa ng
Pero totoo yung isang show natin na no?
Oo.
Tumatawa sa'yo, sumasandok ng
Sinigang.
sabaw ng sinigang.
Oo.
Habang tumatawa.
Oo,
Sumasandok na ganun.
sumasandok.
Hindi ba,
Sabaw ng
guys?
Si Mix, siguro hindi na-encounter ni Mix yan. Malamang siyempre mga cocktails, gano'n.
Grabe naman.
Tapos si Mix na pupunta sa mga museum, you know.
Museum!
Cultured.
Culture dyan siya.
Cultured.
If to museum
Oh, ang
talaga.
hirap magpretend sa mga picture. Nakatayo ko sa picture, tapos tatayo ka na ba yung mga museum?
Para malaman mo kung ano, i-interpret mo kung ano yung mga... Sa mga
Nakakatawa
gallery.
talaga.
Sa mga
Nakakatawa
gallery yun. Oh,
Tapos
gallery.
binibigyan ng interpretation, you know, the stroke.
Oh, God.
The stroke signifies...
Can I just
Strokes are
share
great.
when I went to the Louvre ba yun, diba? So
Wow, ikaw na.
everybody was parang, okay, we want to see the Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
ganyan.
Maliit lang na.
So, masama pa loob ko kasi magkano, 25 euros ata.
okay.
Mag ganun, diba? Nagbayad pa ako, pumila ako. And then I get there, yung mga tao talaga, they were like, oh my gosh, ang ganun kalit pa yun.
It's tiny.
Mona Lisa?
Mona Lisa was so tiny.
Mas
I mean,
lalo sa Sistine Chapel, yung hinakaganon na kamay ni God. Ang liit lang nun, girl.
You need a telescope lens
Part lang
for
siya ng
that.
malaki, di ba?
This whole time, I thought it was ginormous.
No, it's just a square. Malilito ka, malalagpasan mo eh.
What?
Kasi marami sa katabing drawing.
Okay.
It's like
May
the size.
katabing, bawal na magtapon ng basura dito, sa kabila. No crossing.
It's about the size of like the monitor in front of you.
Yan.
Parang ganito lang, di ba? Yung size niya.
Oh
my God.
It's really tiny.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Ang galing.
So I guess I'm just trying to say that I'm not cultured at all.
Abstract. Yung abstract. Doon ako nalito sa abstract.
I cannot. I can't.
You see the...
Nakatitig ka doon sa painting.
Do you see the
You're trying,
sadness?
and then you're trying to analyze the damn thing.
Or
naman.
parang pag tinitigan mo, magiging isang sailboat lang siya.
I could never get that.
May elepante yan eh.
I
Magiging isang
could
elepante
never
lang
get
yan.
that.
Ako hindi, mas buti nga sa'yo, may mga pinapakita pang figure. Ako, yung emotion the stroke of the painter here is
Oh my gosh.
sadness, but you know, here, the anger, you can feel the anger.
What are those paintings? What are just dots? Jackson Pollock ba? It's all just splatters. Parang,
Oh, di ba?
this is raw emotion. I'm like,
Right?
I'm feeling no emotion.
Mga Jackson
Sabi ko,
Pollock
nawala,
painting.
nawala.
Oo.
Bigyan mo yung bunso ko ng watercolor, ganun din ang emotion na lalabas.
Pero nagkaroon ng ganun, di ba, na interpretation ng isang Jackson Pollock na painting na nagkaroon ng red splash.
Oo.
Yung isang painting niya. Tapos
And
sinasabi, binibigyan ng interpretation yun, pero actually, nagkamali lang daw siya.
I won't be
Inamin niya.
surprised.
Oo.
Oo.
Nagkamali lang siya habang pinipaint niya isang painting na may red.
Sabi sa payback, hindi raw sila sanay nagtatagalog si Migs.
Si Migs,
Nag-adjust talaga siya sa amin, sa mga commoners.
Wow.
Yung culture niya, binaba niya yung culture niya.
Ay,
Kumakanta kasi Mix kanina eh. Mona Lisa! Baho mo.
Hi to Yvette. Para daw tayong galing sa principal's office, Alex. Wow. How so?
Pero hindi, nag-short ka, wala nagpunta ka sa loob. Mapupusuhan ko to sa ilalim.
Hindi.
Di ba yung triangle, pyramid na inverted, na-inverted pyramid, tapos may ganon, tapos sa ilalim na
Yeah, I was wearing pants.
Sa sa may angel, sa may Da Vinci Code.
Yeah.
Di ba doon nakalibing sa ilalim si Mary Magdalene?
Sabi daw, oo.
Tama ba Magdalene?
Magdalene, yeah.
Magdalene, di ba? Jowa pala. Di ba doon sa Da
Yun yung
Vinci
mga
Code?
ano noon, oh.
Yung pala chismiso.
Jowa pala ni
Alam mo,
Jesus.
Mag-jowa pala si Jesus. Si Mary Magdalene.
Girl, alam mo ba si Jesus may jowa?
Sabi doon sa, di ba, pelikula yun ng chismis na bloodline, yung pala pinoprotektahan niya yung babae si Sophie. Si Sophie.
Oo.
Tapos ganun pala ang chikahan ng mga
Ganun pala
chismosa ng mga panahon yun, no? Alam mo ba, girl?
Si Mary Magdalene?
Alam mo ba, girl?
Bigla na lang nabuntis yung babae niya yan. Wala. Ganun ang mga chikahan dati.
Hindi kay Mary.
Kung may marites, di ba kay Mary doon? Di ba si Mary?
Marites.
Paano mga chismis, no?
Mary Tess. Doon ang galing yung Mary Tess.
Marites, di ba?
Sila yung una nagkwentuhan.
Kung may mga chismisan talaga, nung bilhin mo, kahapon hindi bunti. Sabi pa, may in-announce na yung angel. Chika-chika nyo, charot-charot nyo. Ganun.
But in serious, on a serious note, if you guys want to learn Bible, we're offering free Bible classes.
Segue doon.
Ayun nga,
Great plug.
There you go.
Great tip po to.
I'm doing a live stream. Hopefully Sam's back. Is she back now?
Tapos alam mo ba si Moses? si Moses.
Stick ni Moses.
Yung
Girl,
stick ni Moses,
yung stick
di ba?
ni Moses.
Nag-divide daw yung water. Hindi pala. Meron pala napindot na button na flash pala yung...
Alam mo ba yung commandment?
Hindi ko mapasok kasi ccmc.org.
O yung commandment sa sira yung isang tablet, 15 dapat yun. Nabitawan. Nabitawan.
Israel, that was the question I asked Alex when we guested him on the best news ever.
Yes.
How would you try to gather people? Kasi di ba si Jesus nahirapan nun?
Oo.
Gather.
How would you gather
Nagpachibog
people?
si Jesus nun eh.
No, but what joke?
Nagpachibog siya.
Oh, is that?
Remember the question I asked you? What joke would you use or to
Pag hindi
gather
sumama,
people?
mamamatay! Di ba nauso kayo? Ay, nauso sa mga ano? Di ba nauso kayo sa mga comedians na may mga ano, yung mga ay kay Waki Kiray. Ito si Waki Kiray. Ang hindi mo mamalakpak, mamamatay! Yeah! Yun!
Yung mga uso ngayon, no? Di magkakajowa forever!
Yan, di ba? Magiging pangit kamukha ko!
Oh my goodness. Playback.tv/magic899. Everyone's having fun, you guys. Tinuturuan mo ng kalokohan.
Sino?
I couldn't finish the message. Messages are coming in really fast. Berthella. Ganyan sila, pinupulot ni... Ano daw?
Tinuturuan mo pa ng kalokohan si attorney.
Ha?
Sabi ni ano,
Who?
sabi ni Silent Breacher. Kung tama to Silent Breacher.
Yeah.
Baka may pinanggalingan
Kaya,
yung
pero sabi ko,
kwentuhan nila.
ang request ko talaga, seriously speaking, no, magkaroon ng Bible na parang ano, yung mas maiintindihan ko yung ano yung salita, yung modern yung salita na.
Isn't that what the NIV version is?
Oh,
Diba?
kasi
That's the easiest to understand.
Nabasa ko, thou shall not, you know, that's ano.
Kasi,
Mas gusto ko talaga yung mas modern pa yung parang
Jesus had wrist.
So you were like we were walking, right? And it's so parang ganun.
Kasi yung King James version mo parang siya.
Kung Old English pa eh.
Ano,
Ayan na.
I don't want you to not know. Parang ganun. Kapag si Pedro kausap mo, gusto kong malaman mo.
Okay, tama.
Tsaka yung do, tsaka die, yun yung pronoun
Doon ako
si Jesus.
na ano pagka
Sorry.
I feel like lightning's about to strike anytime.
Hi, I'm
Pero
Jesus.
alam mo-
Hi, I'm Jesus and my pronouns are thou and thy.
ako talagang willing ako matuto kaya nga nag-guess ako doon sa
sorry.
sa
The best news ever.
ever. So unti-unti na ako ngayon nagsisimula.
Oh my gosh, I think Alex would be a great classmate.
Ang ginagawa ko muna, gumawa muna ng kasalanan para... Bakit? Kasi alam ko namang balang araw, mag-uusap-usap tayo. Sorry na.
Okay.
Di ba? Katulad yan, naka-short ka ngayon, makasalanan yung ginawa mo. Kasi tuwad ka ng tuwad. Kita ko yung...
Dumidilim na doon sa labas.
Pati dito, dumidilim. May namumuong sama ng loob. Huwag kang tumadyak, nakikita ko yung nanay ko.
Cloudy with a chance of meatballs. Yan.
Any song I can play for you, Santi, since you're here? Direk Alvin, isa ka pa ha.
I trust your choices.
Hi, Chelly Bean. Okay, again, for your requests, you can, the phone was ringing earlier, or 863-10899. While Santi's here, maybe he'll have a better luck on answering the phone lines. But I bet you it's Anthony, Murder Rock.
I'm pretty sure. Actually, why did you answer the phone on air?
Well, we'll try. Okay, somebody call us, 863-10899.
Yes.
Okay, as I wait for a call.
Ang hindi tumawag, mamamatay.
Wow.
Mabaho hininga. Yun lang yan. Mabaho hininga. Yun lang. Ang hindi tumawag, mabaho hininga hanggang 2026. Yan.
O kaya, mapangit ka mukha ko.
0 to 1,000.
Toto is going to be in town.
I heard.
Toto. Si
Toto,
Si Toto.
Mall of Asia Arena, May 4. May 4. Here we go.
Teen Zone's calling.
No one's called.
No. There's no one calling. It's blank.
Because
It was ringing earlier. There. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, so-
now press.
this one?
Yes.
Hi.
Or if it works.
No. Hi.
Yun.
Uy.
Okay, you need to lower down the.
Hello, Migs.
Hello.
How much you want to bet? Is this Anthony?
No.
No, I'm Kim from Playback.
Hi, Kim. Well, guys, the phone's working. I made it
nga
work.
eh.
I made it work.
Kim?
Okay.
We should
Ako
celebrate.
yung bumisita last May 2023.
Yes,
Oh,
I
that
remember.
was wow, that's
When-
2 years ago.
When Kula Desmo was here.
Oh, look at you. Hi, Kim. Well, thank you for calling. Say hi to
Okay.
Alex and Israel.
Hello,
I mean,
Kim.
Hello, Tito Alex and Israel.
Hello.
okay. Hi, Kuya Joel, by the way. Tito daw.
Also, pwedeng pa-request yung Dahan-Dahan by Victoria. Also, if ever, Sana by Victoria, it's a sequel from her song. Napanood ko yung MV eh. If I'm not mistaken, si the late Patrick Guzman
Yes,
yung
the one in
leading
the
man.
video. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. You're very right. And he passed
Na-discover
away.
Na-discover ko yung video na Dahan-Dahan, yung video clip ng Sigaw Manila ng Channel V Philippines.
Wow.
Channel
I-
V.
Yeah,
Wow,
those were the
classic.
days. Well, thank you, Kim.
Di ko nabutan yun, pero at least nabutan ko yung mix at MTV in the 2000s.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, congrats, Migs, on your engagement.
Oh, thank you.
Aw.
Appreciate that.
Thank you, Kim, for calling.
Thank you, din.
Bye, Kim. Wow, it's working.
See, you can make it work.
Ano na?
I want to say hi
Ay, may nagbe-break na
to...
naman.
Oh, yun.
Oh,
Oh,
nagbe-break na naman.
meron pa.
Wait,
Come
wait,
on,
wait.
Sige, go, go, go.
Hi to Warren of NutriBullet and
come on.
Dyson.
Hello?
Okay, this one. Who's
Hello?
this?
Hello?
No,
Wait,
no,
wait,
no, no.
wait.
You
This
have to-
one?
Nasa depress yata isa.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, sorry. Okay.
And then bring that up.
This one?
Yeah.
Ay, ate,
Hi.
pwede mag-request ng tangsayo
Ayun, no, meron na naman. Hello.
Hello po.
Anthony, well, let me guess. Murder Rock.
Oo. Po, Reggie Grisen.
Hello. Lagyan mo nga ng context to. Hello?
Yes po.
Okay,
Kumusta ka?
Anthony's
Oh.
been calling for 10
Anthony.
years now.
And ganyan siya lagi mag-open ng conversation. Pwede mag-direct doon.
Yeah, it's the same song.
Okay.
It is the same
Okay.
song. Do you guys have any idea what Murder Rock is?
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang murder.
No. It's a breakdancing
Alam
song.
ko,
Yeah,
nagbe-break
from 83, I think.
MIRDAROCK.
Oh,
Yes.
pinaspell
From
pa sa atin.
19.
Oh, katawain ng mga ano yan, ng mga IMA.
Sorry.
That is-
IMA computer. I came here to
Yun.
hypnotize you. Yan
Yung
yun.
kasabay ng
yun,
ano,
okay.
mga Planet Rock,
Iba yung
ganun.
nasa utak ko eh.
Thank you, Anthony.
Sana po mapatamdam po.
Okay, sige.
akala ko.
We will look for it. But
Meron ba?
Warren,
Meron ba tayo?
I can't wait to host the NutriBullet opening at SM
Patutulong yung
Mall.
Mirdarak. Meron ba?
Wait, nasa Spotify ko.
I don't think we've ever had that
Wait, I
on
don't
the
think-
playlist.
Maganda yun
Ay,
ha.
ano pala 10 years na tumatawag yung tao. Hindi nyo pinapatugtog.
Si
Sana
Sarge
malaka-
eh. Si
makatapat
Sarge
man lang
ayaw
ng ano.
ilagay yung ano eh.
Parang may
Murder Rock.
tan.
Wait.
Oh, kasabay nun.
What's the title?
Rocket.
Rocket. Yan na,
Oo.
kahit ganun lang.
Wait.
Bigyan natin yun.
Kapanahon ng
Ako
Rocket
na
yun.
magsasalita ng Murder Rock.
Murder Rocket.
Di ba yung bago yan?
Naisip ko tuloy yung Body Rock.
Murder Rock
Oh my
is in
gosh,
the
I love
house.
Ay, pang-breakdance din yun. Body Rock.
I love that song. Hold on.
Ay, Body
Do we
Rock.
have it?
Party Rock, Body Rock.
Oh.
Mix, we don't have it.
Maria Vidal?
Yeah, we do. Can we play
ba
it?
yan?
Yeah, maganda yan.
Don't ask me.
Oh my
I'm
God.
not here
Can I
anymore.
play it? Can I play it?
Sige, sige,
Go.
go.
Okay, I think Warren's gonna enjoy this one. Woo!
You know.
So we're both.
Napa-break.
You guys remember? Let's go, Alex.
Napa-pop and lock bigla.
This is Friday Madness.
Napa-pop and lock. Hindi na mga
It's like a comedy crew.
pop and lock.
Magic 89.9.
Game. Herbie Hancock and Rocket on Friday Madness. And I hope you guys truly enjoyed Alex's breakdance moves on
Yes.
playback.tv.
Dati, nung
The robot.
80s, breakdance talaga yung sayo yun. Ngayon, pag nagsayo ako, may nabe-break talaga.
Through breakdance.
Like the bones cracking.
Yes.
Hirap na.
Congratulations again, Alex. Worldwide na po ang tamang panahon. Starting April 1st.
Yes, God is
Wow.
good. God is great.
God is great. God is great. Congratulations.
Thank
At dahil dyan, magpapasmokies siya.
Smokies.
Yes, good na lang.
Smokies ang magpapasmokies.
It's got
mamaya.
bacon, ano ba, wrap
Bacon
around?
wrap.
Wrap around.
Ooh.
Tapos chili
Oh
con.
my
Chili con
gosh.
carne.
Oh, no, you haven't tried my chili con. Migs, you've tried mine?
Seeing Raul your chili con.
Oh,
I tried your chili. Have I tried your chili? Oh my
Boss
God.
Warren's tried my chili, Connie.
So everyone's tried your chili.
Once you go Tina,
You never go.
So folks, remember to
you'll
try
never
Tina's
go
chili.
Latina. Uy, may show kami ha. Mamaya, nasa Pinanglo kami. Baka nakakalimutan mo. May show kami sa Pinanglo mamaya dyan sa...
Habol na, yung mga hindi pa-
Habol na. Tapos tomorrow, nasa Eco Bar kami sa Pampanga.
Pero sold out na.
Sold out na.
Yeah.
250 tao. Marami pong salamat.
So even if I went, I won't be able to get in
Magagawa kami ng
because it's
space
sold
doon.
out.
Gagawa kami ng space
Oo.
para sa'yo, syempre.
Nasa likod ka.
Backstage.
Nakaangkas ka sa amin habang nag-perform
May,
kami.
may DJ's booth sa likod eh.
May
pwede
DJ's
ka doon.
booth.
Oo, pwede ka doon maupo. Yeah.
Gusto mo magsayaw-sayaw ka doon. Para may... Ganyan din suot mo bukas ha. Mag-ledge dancing ka.
Sa mga wait lang, bago mo na yun, sa mga nagtatanong lang ng mga remaining shows namin for March, meron tayong 225 Bistro on Thursday next week.
Yes.
And then sunod-sunod yan, March 28,
I know, I made the
29, 30.
plug.
Baguio.
Hello.
Baguio.
Yeah.
Sinasabi ko lang, yung mga...
28 Coaches Corner, 29 Lemonade, 30 sa
Curfew
Curfew.
Bar.
Alam mo ba matindi kahapon sa Millions? Thursday siya pero punong-puno siya.
Punong-puno siya.
Resto siya pero punong-puno siya.
Millions, shout
Sobrang
out.
punong-puno
So
siya.
maingay din habang kumakain. May nagsigang,
No,
kumain na
hindi,
sinigang.
Kumain na sila.
Wala,
Yun ang
okay.
maganda sa mga ibang shows namin, ang call time namin sa mga tao is earlier for them to order and eat.
Oo,
and then
para
after,
makakain
pag
sila.
kami na, yun natawanan na lang tsaka drinks. Okay na.
Okay. Yeah,
Diba?
hirap naman nun.
Hindi naman, pag may pera ka, okay yun.
No,
Ano ba? May... Hindi,
yung
umorder
masasamid
muna.
ako.
Oo, umorder
Diba?
muna.
Oo.
Hindi, skill talaga ng Pinoy yun. Skill talaga ng Pinoy yun. Hindi masamit habang
Ay, alam mo,
tumatawa kumakain.
Tina, alam mo pag maganda ka pag ang ledge, di ba may mga ledge dancing dati? Yung
Yeah.
nagsasayaw sa ano. Alam mo ka, maganda kapag sinasabing, more, come on, go, go. Pag hindi ka may tsura, baba dyan, te! Baba dyan, te, sagwa! Baka masira po yung speaker! Alam mo, pag wala kayong tsura, no? Te, wag ganyan, te! Pag maganda, go! Woo!
Rich dancers.
Di ba?
Oh my gosh.
My God. Thank you at mapapanood ko na in Rome ang tamang panahon.
Sabi naman sa
Yun.
Nice.
Sasabihan ka
Kailangan
pa
VPN.
sasabihan ka pa pag nagsayaw ka sa ledge na, ate ka ba? Baba dyan, huy!
Madalas sisisigaw naririnig ko ng day off, te, day off, day off.
Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto niya.
So that means next Friday
Oh my
Bandits Party,
gosh, I
ikaw na yung
know.
ledge dancer.
Si Mix dito naabutan. Alam niyo ba dati? Alam to tingnan, di ba?
What?
Na special occasion pag lumabas yung laser sa mga...
Oo.
Once lang
So, may
lumalabas yung
pauso?
mahal yun.
May pauso.
Di ba? Di ba ang
Tama.
pinagmamalaki ng mga may laser kami. Pero
Wait.
lalabas yun ng... Di ba?
Wait,
Naabutan mo yun?
look at Mix's face. He can't
Mix.
relate.
I can't relate.
Oo,
Kasi
bata po.
sa akin, normal na yun.
Ngayon, yung laser, sawan-sawa kayo kami, 9 o'clock,
Meron yan.
11,
By the hour.
1, 3.
May time.
Pag lumabas na, na, gumagano na yung machine. Wow!
usok. May usok.
May usok yung smoke machine. Yan na,
Smoke
pag
machine yun.
titira lang isa yun, zoom. Yes! Wala. Tapos balik na kami sa strobe light ulit. Strobe light, tapos yung mirror ball. Mirror ball ba?
Hello, never goes away.
Never goes away.
Never goes
Pag
away.
tinamaan yan, tapos may strobe light, yung talagang magkakaroon ka ng problema.
Oh my God.
Ngayon, yung strobe light, meron pang warning ngayon. Di ba? Trigger warning.
Ano,
Yan ang
mahina
dati.
na ngayon. Ngayon, manood ka lang sa Netflix, warning ka
Trigger
na.
warning.
Trigger warning.
Oh.
Parang
May
pulsating
seizures,
light.
oh.
Oh,
Dati, pag pumasok ka sa mga clubs namin,
Yun yung
talagang
sasalubong sa'yo. Mawawalan ka ng
Oo.
eyesight.
may amnesia kapag uwi mo, ma'am.
Let's see who wants to join the T-Gang show. Hi. Migs, am I doing this right?
Yes.
Hi.
Hello po, te.
Pate.
Ate, yung request ko po yung
Murder Rock. Yes, bye. What did I say?
Wow.
Murder Rock is in the house.
Anthony is
Yun.
relentless. He is, thank you, Anthony. I love
Anthony.
his dedication.
Yes, except we don't have, I don't think we've ever had
Yes.
Murder Rock on the
I think
playlist.
Sarge decided to
Nasabi na ba
include
sa
that
inyo yun?
song.
Nasabi na ba sa kanya yan 10 years ago?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mix, ang mga lights nyo ngayon, ang lights nyo ngayon parang parang friendly na, environment friendly, tapos din siya. Dati yung mga lights namin, mainit talaga.
Init to. Grabe
Actually, I
yun.
think umabot pa ako sa
Oo, grabe, grabe talaga siya. Ano ka na, nagka-amnesia ka na, pawis-pawis ka pa, tapos puputukan ka pa.
Mapapasok.
Rexona. Pinuputokan ka na ba? Rexona. Time check. 4:46.
Oh my gosh, hold on.
Hindi
Pebbles?
pawis yan. Putok yan, girl.
Pebbles. Great job to the Bacan girls. Congratulations on winning second overall in their intramurals from Zara Francisco.
Bacan girls.
Ayan. Miriam College, grade 6, the Bacan. Yan.
Uy.
Grade
go.
6.
Volleyball. Wow.
Volleyball?
I sucked at volleyball.
Anong place nila?
Champion yata.
Second?
No, congratulations for winning the volleyball
Ayun,
championship.
champion.
May kanina sinabi
Oo.
second.
Baka
Pebbles,
ganun
what
na
is
yun
it?
eh.
baka naman di pa tapos yung game, tapos
Congratulations.
bilang nanalo pa. Oo, tingnan mo muna. I-confirm mo. Baka dalawang text niya.
Yan, hold on. She's really messaging.
Nako.
Ano ba? Second or champion?
Oo.
Baka ganun na rin yung pakiramdam
I
nila.
hate that.
Second
I
sila.
hate that.
pero
Yung three
champion.
dots
Three
where
dots?
you read.
Yeah.
Ayun na.
Anxiety daw.
Overall, second sa other events.
Yan, iwan natin.
Okay.
Pero
Liwanagin
champion
mo.
sa
Champion sa volleyball.
Okay.
Tapos,
gets.
30 pa yung ibang events.
Overall second. Okay. Congrats.
Overall second.
Solid pa rin nun.
Alex is also enjoying. Hi, Alex Trejano. Ayan, enjoying the crew as well.
Oo.
Oh.
Alam mo dati, no, napagkukwento namin ngayon ni Israel to, sa mga jokes ko rin, no. Akin yan, yung joke na yun. Ngayon ina-award na lahat ng mga estudyante, no. Basta lang magka-award lahat.
Oo.
Gumagawa ng mga, may award
Participation
na.
trophies.
Oo, may mga trophy na.
Thanks for being here.
Best in just being there. Alam mo yun?
Best pencil lifter.
Dati sa amin, migs 3 lang ang ina-awardan. First, second, third. Tapos the rest, bobo.
May rason kung ba't hanggang bronze medal lang ang Olympics.
Oo, 3 lang. The rest, keep up
Hi,
the good work.
Kingski.
Ay, keep it up. Parang ganun. Habol kayo.
Tama.
Loyalty Award, sabi ni
Oo.
Kosano.
Hindi na nga ngayon loyalty. Okay pa nga yung loyalty dahil at least nagdagal ka sa eskwelahan.
Hendrix, ano?
Ngayon, best in sitting down.
Sitting down.
Oo.
Best sitter.
Oo.
Most talkative. Who's the most talkative? To Kim, may honors din pag bobo ka daw. Best in recess. Oy.
Ay,
Best in recess.
Sige dito, embrace kita dito.
Wala yung best in math, best in science, best in recess.
Yes.
So Alex, we'll catch you back on the morning show, yeah?
Yeah, Monday. I'll be there Monday.
But may English accent ka bigla. Monday.
Monday.
Hi, Fred's
Yeah, Good Times Radio, Monday to Thursday.
with the 1,000 something viewers on
Viewers on
playback. So we
playback.
have to catch up, guys.
Ilan na ba tayo? Ano naman yung count natin?
We're currently at 153.
Ang ganyan
so-
na lang yan. Nandiyan na lang. Ang ganyan na lang tayo. Karil, Sam O, Mara, and Mo Twister.
And on Mondays, you guys have Senator Bam Aquino.
Yes, so magkikita kami ng nila Mo, Mara doon sa Toronto.
Nice.
That's the lifestyle. That's,
The lifestyle of the
don't
rich
be
and
shy.
famous.
Work harder to reach this stage. Ay, sorry. I have a show nga pala sa US, April 4 Houston, April 5 Fresno, April 6 San Francisco.
Walang Dallas.
Dadaanan ng aeroplano in Dallas pero didiretso kami ng April 11 sa Florida, April 12 Cerritos, California, April 13 sa San Diego.
Wow.
May Canada pa ako, May 23.
April 13.
Toronto, May 24. Winnipeg, dalawa na po. Isa na po yung sold out, so isa na lang po yung open na show.
Do you know where in Canada? I mean, where in San Diego your show is?
San Diego in Lola Happy.
Yun ang pangalan ng
Lola Happy.
National City.
In National City, where I used to do groceries.
Yeah.
National
That's really
City.
specific.
Oh, walang kakwenta-kwentang info yun.
Because I lived in San
Pag may
Diego.
natanong,
grocery ako sa
ikaw na, nag-grocery sa National City. Ano yun, landmark yun?
No, because there's seafood city there.
Ano yun, may waste tayo na
Pinabag yung seafood.
turn right in 300 meters. Oh my God, Tina went there for groceries.
Samantalang ibang tao, shopwise lang.
Where I used to do.
Tumira ka ba doon?
Huh?
Tumira ka doon?
10 years.
10 years.
Wait,
10 years.
oh my gosh, you have to stop by Golden Chopsticks in San Diego.
Ay,
my
nako.
gosh.
Nako,
Golden
masarap
chopsticks.
yan.
Sounds expensive.
Ano, Chinese?
No. It's a really good Chinese restaurant.
Pwede
They have
may
the
kutsara,
best.
mag-kutsara tinidor.
Oo
Pwede.
naman.
O, iba ito yung pangalan nila. Racist.
Wait.
Ano?
Yung wings nila masarap. Super
Sinapstick
sarap.
mo yung,
Chinese
sinapstick
wings?
yung ano, yung wings?
Hindi, finger food yun eh.
O kaya nga,
Masyado kasi siya.
ano ngayon, chopstick doon?
Golden chopsticks ka. Yung
Pangalan.
Sayang lang.
Golden dawn chopsticks. Che!
Oo.
Okay.
Bigay
Alam mo, pag
Groceries
nag-golden
San Diego.
chopstick ka dito, nanakawin yan dito. Kaya pabuti pang chopstick na lang yan.
Wait, Canada.
Ito nga, tinistorbo nito
Oh,
eh.
Canada. Tuloy lang.
Oy,
tuloy.
Chay! Di ba ba? Yung dalawang pechay doon nakatambay.
Andito pa. Hindi
I'm
sila
so
para sa
sorry.
True Fate.
Forgive me, okay? Next weekend True Fate, balik na lang.
Next-
Walang tulog yung isa. Pinapunta
Love
ni
you.
Tina.
Bye,
Uwi na kayo, Chay? Uwi na kayo?
Uwi na.
Hindi nyo lang tinapos. Konti na lang oras.
Ito na, 8 minutes makisama kayo.
8 minutes na lang, girl.
Grabe, oo.
Oo.
My gosh.
Wala siyang
Nandito
tulog.
na lang kayo.
Lang, sorry ah.
Si Janelo ng tulog.
Kidding, we're kidding, Janelle. Go, drive safely, okay?
Oh, ingat kayo. Uwi muna
Ingat.
kayo. Binibiro ko lang. Naalip ko nga ito.
Joke lang.
Nagising si Janelle.
Oo, pag tayo ni ma'am, class, parang nasa food. Nasa classroom siya.
Nagbura ng blackboard bigla. Nagbura ng
Anyway.
blackboard.
Hoy, ganun ko rin Canada ko. May 23, Toronto. May 24, Winnipeg. May 25, dyan tayo sa Calgary. May 30 sa Cold Lake. May 31 Red Deer. June 1 sa
Kabisado.
Fort McMurray. June 6 Victoria, BC. June 7 Kelowna. And June 8 doon tayo sa Vancouver.
Wow.
I'm so impressed with all
Right?
these. Fully memorized.
Yeah.
And those are not even the major cities. Like a lot of these are like
Right.
June
for the first time.
14, Denmark. June 15, Romania. June 20, doon tayo sa may June 21 Amsterdam, June 20 doon tayo sa ano? Belgium. June 20 Belgium.
Sa Netherlands.
Ako sa Netherlands. Tapos June 29 here Dubai. And July 25, 26, 27 Japan. September 27 Singapore. October 15, 16, 17 dyan tayo sa New Zealand.
Oh my gosh.
Saan sa Auckland?
Auckland, Christchurch, and ano yun?
Meron natang Jokla.
Auckland.
Meron tayo Wellington.
Auckland,
and
and Christchurch.
Christchurch. Auckland to.
Auckland.
I'm not even gonna
Auckland.
I'm not even going to say anything. But,
Why?
yeah.
What?
So now that you're done plugging the shows, can I plug my live stream tomorrow?
Welcome to the show, Tina. Welcome to the show.
Diba? No, I'm kidding. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm going to be live streaming. Hopefully, I'm not sure if Sam's back, but I'm going to be with Sister Camille on ccmc.org.ph for the best news ever.
By the way, Amsterdam is in the Netherlands, so that's our last stop.
Nice.
June 21. So
And then they'll bring us home.
yes.
From us. I mean us.
Hindi po ako kasama dyan sa
Sabi ko lang, we'll be going home naman. Yun naman yun.
Sigurado ko.
Israel Bunobro po yun.
Oh,
Baka po na-confuse po kayo sa boses na yun. Ako po si Alex Calleja.
That's on you. I'm just kidding. We're kidding. You guys, thank you so much for joining us. You've been a wonderful audience.
Paano mo sasabi? No wonderful sila. Tayo lang dito.
dadalawa nga yung tumawag eh.
You're just an audience.
Tumawag.
Huwag natin purihin kasi siyempre yung mga hindi naman wonderful, di damay sila. Huwag mo muna patutugin dahil para magpaliwanag tayo ng maayos. Stop mo muna yan.
Okay, sorry.
So explain lang namin, you're a wonderful audience. Yung mga apektado, the rest are just audience.
And he's the wonderful.
Listeners,
Hindi na
lurkers.
pwedeng lahat.
Hindi natin alam kung paano sila
Anong participation nila
Hindi
ngayon?
naman natin nakita directly.
May ba dyan?
Yeah,
Diba?
participation trophy. Certificates sa kanila.
Diba? Hindi natin alam.
Oh, thank you. Pagpasalamat ka naman kay Mix Santillan.
Oo.
Of course.
Anong kailangan? Tina, formality to, may closure tayo. Eh, hindi nang kasi sa relasyon mo, hindi ka nagko-closure. Broken hearted ka, nag-short ka na maiksi.
It's so
Hindi ganyan.
nice seeing you, Riggs.
Likewise, it's nice to be back on air. Like even if it was a complete
You
surprise.
know where we are on Fridays.
I know.
Stop by anytime.
Hindi si Mix na sinasabihan mo niyan. May pinagsasabihan ka niya na, you know where I am on Friday. Tina, you fix your heart first. Hindi mo madadaan sa maikling shorts yan. Pag broken-hearted ka, you move on or you talk, and then hindi yung mga subtle mga message mo, no, you know where I am on a Friday.
You know where I am on a Friday.
Tigilan mo ko, Tina. Split. Pagka gusto pa.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
You gotta say it like
O
this.
sige, magsalita ka ng ano. Walang meaning. Lalagyan ko ng meaning. Sige, magsalita ka.
No, I'm gonna leave them with this requested song.
I'm gonna leave them. See? You're threatening. Ayusin mo.
What am I gonna say?
See? Oh, what I'm gonna say?
Puro lahat dyan, no?
Coded dyan.
Puro lahat, ano, no?
O sige na.
Message
Ayos na.
niya.
Okay. Ready?
Oh!
Okay, take two.
Take two? Ano? Balikan?
Balikan to.
Magic 89.9.